Well, for those folks that are looking for snow, we have got some of that coming our way, but the trend overall is going to be a little bit on the warmer side. But for your Tuesday, 13 weather ball is green, no change to our temperatures foreseen, and no precipitation until well after dark. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast an afternoon temperature of 31 as it fell most of the day today. We actually made it to 34 this afternoon within that 3-degree window, and that's 5 days in a row. Over the next 24 hours, you can see no precipitation between now and even before 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Just a mostly clear to partly cloudy night, and we'll see increasing clouds here during the day tomorrow with temperatures similar to what we had today. Winter weather advisory goes into effect tomorrow night at 10 o'clock, and this is where the higher impacted areas will be through about 1 p.m. on Wednesday. Ottawa, Kent, and Ionia counties northward. Right there in the center, winter weather advisory, low to moderate impacts from the wintry weather, so you'll need to take some action. Might be enough snow to shovel and plow. Where is it coming from? Low pressure system is going to take a track over the Oklahoma Panhandle by this time tomorrow evening, and then almost directly overhead by tomorrow night through Wednesday morning. And that's the reason why we have that winter weather advisory in effect all the way back through much of the southwestern U.S. Clear to partly cloudy skies overnight tonight. We'll see an increase to our high clouds here during the day tomorrow, but no precipitation. You can see the leading edge of that just approaching Chicago by 7 o'clock in the evening. Our snow will develop after about 10, 11 o'clock here in Grand Rapids, and generally along and south of I-96 it will change over to a little bit of light rain and mixed snow during the day, and then by middle of the day on Wednesday it is all done. In terms of snowfall, we have 3 models that we normally look at. We've got a lot more models that we look at, but other than that, we have a lot of snow coming on down. Our in-house model is indicating that there could be a lot of snow all around West Michigan, with the heaviest from Kent County southward. The other models, though, are indicating it might be a little bit further north, with about 3+ inches from Grand Rapids northward, and that's our American model, and the European model is pretty close to that as well. So I'm thinking the heavier snow, but it will be plowable snow from Grand Rapids and Holland northward, but it could just be about everywhere. So this will be most likely our first widespread West Michigan snowfall event, enough to shovel and plow for the season. Look for morning sunshine, afternoon clouds here, but dry all day during the daylight hours. Sun going down here at 5:18 tomorrow. Around 30 from Hart and Ludington north. Afternoon highs run around 32 to 31 in Muskegon and Holland. Up north, you'll start with morning sunshine and afternoon clouds. You'll hit the upper 20s. Winds will eventually turn around to the south late in the day, but not as breezy as today. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, temperatures will be at or below freezing throughout the day, and that means things are going to accumulate once the snow starts tomorrow night, but winds will be light out of the south. 13 on your side forecast. Warmer air coming in may boost our temperature up near 40 by Wednesday afternoon. Kind of breezy, but all the precipitation will be done during the morning hours. And then New Year's Eve day should be quiet, 33 for a high. And then some cold rain moves in on New Year's Day with breezy conditions as well. And then we dry out over the weekend and then start to warm up next week, 40+ perhaps through the first week of January, including some rain probably the following Thursday.